How to fix can't upload posts and also Reels on Instagram. Your uploads typically fail if your connection drops, so make sure that you turn on your Wi-Fi and your internet connection is stable. If it is not, then you can turn on your airplane mode to simply reset your Wi-Fi network. Simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off. Then switch back to Wi-Fi. If your internet connection is still low, you can always switch back to mobile data and upload the posts. And also, larger unsupported files will crash Instagram's uploader, so ensure that your video resolution is 180p or lower, and make sure your video length is within Instagram current limits. Then what you can do is simply close the application, tap on close all. Now try clearing the app cache. Press on the application for some time, tap on the app info icon. Now scroll down to the storage section, tap on storage, and here you'll find cache. Simply tap on clear cache at the end. Now head back and close all. Now finally try updating the app by visiting the Play Store and tap on the search bar and type in Instagram. And tap on the Instagram, and as you can see, an update is available. Simply tap on update. Updating the app fixes most broken features and updates. Now after your update is completed, simply open the app and try uploading your posts or reels and your problems will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.